In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable admin approval for join group chat on Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up the Messenger application and now enter the group chat where you are an admin. This feature works just when you are an admin, and to be able to use that feature, just hit here at the top add conversation name, and there you have to find member request and there hit on it. And now all you have to do is just enable that feature to turn on admin approval. And from now it will require an admin to approve all requests to join that group chat. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.